This video will show examples with arithmetic sequences. Find the next four terms of the sequences. -3, 2, 7, 12. The first step is to find the common difference between each of these terms. If we look at this, we see that each time we are adding 5 to get to the next term. That means our next four terms are 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 5, which is 22, 27, and 32. For our second sequence, we see that in order to get to the next term, we are subtracting 3.5 from the previous term. So if we keep up this pattern, then we end up with 6.5, 3.0, negative 0.5, and negative 4. Give the 12th term of the sequence. A1 equals 4 and D equals minus 2. Since they gave us A1 and D, we can write out the nth term formula for the sequence. So A of n equals A1 plus n minus 1 times D, which is 4 plus n minus 1 times negative 2. That means that the 12th term, A12, equals 4 plus 12 minus 1 times negative 2, or 4 plus 11 times negative 2, which is 4 minus 22, or negative 18. Write a formula for the nth term of the sequence. In order to do this, we need to give an A1, the first term, and figure out what the common difference is. A1 is easy, it's 16. And the difference between each of these terms is negative 3, because we see that each time we're subtracting 3. So that means we can just write our formula, an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d, which becomes negative 3n plus 19. Find the three arithmetic means of 16 and 2. This means that we write out an arithmetic sequence, starting with 16. We have three numbers in between, and we end with 2. We know that our first number here can be written as 16 plus d. This one can be written as 16 plus 2d, 16 plus 3d, and 2 is 16 plus 4d. Using this, we can solve for d, and we find that d equals negative 3.5. So that means that the terms in between 16 and 2 are 12.5, 9, and 5.5. And these three are the three arithmetic means of 16 and 2. Sally buys 18 apples. If she eats 2 each day, write a formula for the number of apples left after n days. After the first day, we know that Sally has 18 apples. Then the second day, she eats 2, so she has 16 left. And we want to write a formula for this. So A1 equals 18, because that's the first term of our sequence. And D equals negative 2, because each day the number of apples is 2 less than what it was the day previous. That means that we can write A of n equals A1 plus n minus 1 times D, or negative 2n plus 20.